Quick question. Are you a good driver? Think about it for a second. Most of you just said yes. Some of you said, yeah, pretty good
Artlist.io.
actually. A few of you said, honestly, one of the best. Here's the problem 93% of people think they are above average drivers. 93%, which is statistically impossible. Because if 93% of people are
Music
above average,
licensing reimagined.
then above average is just average. And the 7% who admitted they might not be great drivers, those are probably the best drivers. Because at least they are paying attention. Welcome to the human brain, where everyone is special, everyone is talented, everyone is above average, and absolutely nobody is doing the math.
Artlist.io.
Okay, so there's a name for this, and it is the most appropriately named thing in the history of physiology, the Dunning-Kruger effect. In 1999, two physiologists, David Dunning and Justin Kruger, ran an experiment. They
Music
gave people a
licensing
test
reimagined.
and then asked those people to estimate how well they did. The results were beautiful. The people who did the worst on the test thought they did the best. The people who scored in the bottom 12% estimated themselves in the top 60%. They were so bad at the thing that they were also bad at knowing they were bad at the thing. It's like failing a test and then grading your own paper and giving yourself an A and feeling great about it. And the people who actually did well thought they did average because they were smart enough to know how much they didn't know. So the formula is simple. The
Music
less you know,
licensing
the more
reimagined.
confident you are. The more you know, the more you realize how little you know. Which means the most confident person in any room is statistically likely to be the least qualified. Let that ruin every meeting you have ever attended.
Artlist.io.
Now here's where it gets funny, because the Dunning-Kruger effect is everywhere. Every person who attached one YouTube video about investing and is now ready to explain the entire stock market to you. Every person who took one cooking class and now refers to themselves as
Music
quite the chef
licensing
actually.
reimagined.
Every person who learned 3 chords on guitar and immediately bought a leather jacket. Every person who went to the gym for 2 weeks and started giving unsolicited fitness advice. We have all done this. Every single one of us. You learned something new. You felt amazing. You told everyone. And then 6 months later, you realized you knew nothing
Artlist.io.
and quietly stopped talking about it. This is the Dunning-Kruger effect in real time. The confidence peak before the knowledge cliff. Beautiful, embracing, deeply human. Let's back to the driving thing, because this one is my favorite. 93% of people think they are above average drivers. But let's think about this practically. Every single day, every person on the road is surrounded by bad drivers. People cutting them off, people going too slow, people not indicating, people on their phone, and every single one of those people is thinking the exact same thing. Why is everyone else such a bad driver? Meanwhile, they are the bad driver in someone else's story.
Artlist.io.
Right now, at this exact moment, someone is going home and telling their family, "You would not believe the driver I was stuck behind today." And that driver is you. Telling your family about the bad drivers you saw today. We are all simultaneously the hero of our own
Music
driving history
licensing
and the
reimagined.
villain in everyone else's. And then social media arrived and handed everyone a megaphone. Suddenly, everyone had an audience, and an audience needs content, and content needs confidence. So people started performing expertise they didn't have
Artlist.io.
about everything: politics, health, finance, relationships, parenting, science, history, whatever was trending that week. And here's the beautiful irony: the actual experts too busy knowing how complicated things are to make confident videos about them. But the person who
Music
read one article
licensing
about nutrition
reimagined.
at 11 p.m., making a 47-part series with graphics and a catchphrase. The Dunning-Kruger effect plus social media equals everyone is an expert, nobody is an expert, and the loudest voice wins regardless. Congratulations, we built a society where confidence is more valuable than competence. I am sure that I will be fine. Okay, now here's the part.
Artlist.io.
Because you have been sitting here watching this video and nodding alone, thinking of all the people this applies to: your colleague who gives unsolicited advice, your uncle who knows everything, your friend who discovered intermittent fasting 6 weeks ago and won't stop talking about
Music
it.
licensing reimagined.
You have been thinking about them, which is exactly what someone affected by the Dunning-Kruger effect would do. The cruel joke is this: we are brilliant at spotting this in others and completely blind to it in ourselves. Right now, somewhere in your life, there is a topic where you are the confident one, the one who does not know what they don't know, the one talking just a little too much.
Artlist.io.
I am not going to tell you what that is. You already felt it when I said that. That small uncomfortable feeling. That's called self awareness, and it means you are already above average at this. See what I did there? Okay, but
Music
here's the thing:
licensing
the Dunning Kruger
reimagined.
effect is not just funny, it's actually important to understand. It explains why the least experienced people speak the most confidently in meetings. It explains why dangerous misinformation spreads faster than accurate information. Because accurate information comes with
Artlist.io.
nuance and doubt, and it depends. And misinformation comes with total, absolute certainty. And certainty feels better. Certainty is easier to share. Certainty gets the likes. It explains why the best teachers always say, I am still learning,
Music licensing
and the worst teachers
reimagined.
have all the answers. It explains why the most successful people you have ever met tend to the most curious, the most open, the most willing to say, I don't know, because they have been on the other side of the curve. They know what they don't know, and that knowledge is more valuable than all the confidence in the world. So here's what I want you to do. After this video, pick one thing you talk
Artlist.io.
about confidently. One topic where you feel like you know your stuff. And then go find the most complicated book or the most expert person on that subject. And just see how much there is that you didn't know existed. Not to feel bad, not to stop talking about
Music
it,
licensing
just to feel the edge of
reimagined.
your knowledge. Because that edge, that's where actual learning begins. That's where you go from confident to curious, from certain to genuinely interested, from Dunning Kruger to actually know something. The goal is not to feel stupid. The goal is to feel the difference between performing knowledge and actually having it. Because one of those impresses people for a week and the other
Artlist.io.
one changes your entire life. Oh, by the way, if you watched this whole video and thought, yeah, this is definitely about other people, not me. Hi, I made this for you specifically. You are welcome. If this made you think about one
Music
person you know
licensing
immediately,
reimagined.
subscribe StickX. Every week, one new truth your brain has been hiding from you. Hit the bell icon so you never miss one, because the next episode might be about you too.